Okay, so let's start discussing objective type questions. बेटे the chapter which we have just finished organizing. I want कि हम इसको एक बार देख लें to assess ourselves, the level of learning we have, the clarity of the concept. So MCQs we have already done. So we will not go with the MCQs first. We will start with this last question, which I find interesting. Basically, the terms which are written here, they are somewhere or the other telling us the concepts. ये keywords हैं. With the help of these lines, you will be able to identify कि which topic or which concept is there in the question. ठीक है? So identify the concept from the given statements. So in statements को I request all of you to please write in your notebooks. Otherwise ये मैंने share भी कर दिया PDF. अगर आप अभी नहीं लिख पाओगे तो you can do it later also. Okay. Attendance form, some child wants to share it again. Okay. I'm sharing it again to everyone. Please fill in your attendance form. So let's start with the question. Those who want to answer, please raise your hand. Okay. Or you can write it in chat box also. Identify the concept in the following. Number 1. It is the function which establish relation and deploys resources. ये एक ऐसा फंक्शन है जिसमें रिलेशनशिप मेंटेन किया जाता है. केतन, ओके, यस केतन.
Organizing.
Very good. It is organizing function they are talking about, because in organizing function relationship is being established and resources are being assigned. जो भी resources है वो हम उनको assign कर देते हैं. Number 2, it is a part of organizing process which groups similar activities into larger units. Himani, yes Himani.
Departmentalization.
Very good. Similar activities को units में divide करना, it is grouping करना, it is departmentalization. Absolutely correct answer. Third one, it is a framework within which the managerial and operating tasks are performed. Sanya, okay. Yes, Sanya, you can answer.
Organizational structure.
Organizational structure, very good. Framework, जब आपको word मिल गया बेटे, framework means the structure they are talking about. Okay. Fourth one, it provides opportunities to managers to achieve occupational specialization. ये कौन सी एक, okay, Sanyam wants to answer. Yes, Sanyam.
Functional structure.
Very good. Because in functional structure, occupation जो भी उनकी है, अगर वो production है या sales है, they will become specialized in that function, in that occupation. Key point. It shows the organization structure of a firm. What is that? जो हमें structure बताता है उसको क्या बोलते हैं? I'm not sure. अगर आपने पूरा chapter detail में पढ़ा होता तो ये word आपने कहीं ना कहीं पढ़ा होता. It is called as organizational chart. In all the organizations, there is a chart which is called as organizational chart. उस chart में structure बताया जाता है. जैसे अगर मैं आपको structure बना के देती हूँ, तो that structure is being presented on a chart. It is, the answer is organizational chart. Please write it down. Next is, it involves performing a multi-function within a unit. Muskan Sian, yes, bete. Muskan, bete, you can.
Ma'am, decentralization.
No, it's not decentralization. It involves, मैं आपको hint दे देती हूँ, functional या divisional में से कोई एक answer आने वाला है. Okay, Vandana wants to answer. Vandana. You can unmute yourself.
Ma'am, divisional structure.
Very good. It is divisional structure. How come you come to the conclusion? कैसे पता चला आपको? Vandana. You can unmute yourself. I think she is unable.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. How do you know that it is divisional structure? चलिए अदिति आप बताइए. अदिति also.
Ma'am, in this line, it involves performing all multiple functions within a unit.
Divisional structure में यही होता है. Different units are there on the basis of product and in each unit multiple functions are being. तो यहाँ पे multiple function within one unit इस तरह से लिखा हो तो that is divisional structure. केतन सेठी want to say something. Next बताना. Okay. It is a result of network of personal and social relations. Very easy. Yes, Ketan.
Informal structure.
Informal structure. Very right. Personal, social. जब words आपके पास आ गए थे informal. Next is it helps in maintaining unity of command. Unity of command बनी रहे. Okay. ये बच्चा कौन है? मान्या. Roll number 9. You can unmute yourself.
Formal organization.
Formal, very good. Formal organization एक ऐसी organization है जिसमें unity of command रहती है. एक बंदा जिसने जिसको command करनी है, he is the boss, you are the subordinate, you are supposed to answer him. Outside that chain, unity of command के से बाहर you can't go. So that is a formal organization. Absolutely correct answer. Next is it is an obligation to perform an assigned task. आपके लिए एक obligation, इस word से पता चल जाएगा आंसर क्या है. Okay. So many hands. Roll number 21, Kashvi.
Responsibility.
Very good. Obligation means responsibility to do a work. Next J है. It flows from superior to subordinate. ऐसा क्या है जो superior से subordinate? हीना तनेजा.
Authority, ma'am.
Authority. Yes, it is right. Authority is something जो ऊपर से नीचे जाती है. Responsibility and accountability नीचे से ऊपर को जाती है. We are answerable to the seniors. So its answer is authority. Absolutely correct. It states that ultimate responsibility of performance cannot be delegated. ये इसके लिए एक word नहीं है, एक statement है. मैंने inverted commas में एक statement बताई थी. Okay, Sanyam wants to answer. Sanyam Kwatra, you can answer.
Ma'am, principle of absoluteness of accountability.
You are right. It is principle of absoluteness of accountability. But यहाँ पे जो statement आप दे सकते हैं, उसको आपको एक statement याद होगी. I have told you. It is that delegation does not mean abdication. It means that absolute accountability will always remain with the senior person. You are right. Hanji Ketan, you want to give next answer? Okay, nothing. K.
No, ma'am. Same line.
Yes.
जो आपने बोला.
I didn't get who is speaking. Chaliye. Next is J. It flows from superior. This is done. This is also done. JKL. It allows decision to be taken at the point of action. ये word हमें बताता है कि this is concept related to point of action पे decision लेने के लिए आपने आशीष. Ashish, you are attending your class today? I can't see you here on the screen. Kindly switch on your video. Roll number 41, Ashish. Okay, bete. Hanji, please answer.
Quick decision making.
Quick decision making is there. There is a concept which leads to quick decision making. किस concept में होता है बेटे ऐसे?
Importance of decentralization.
Yes, you are absolutely correct. It is one of the importance of decentralization. तो उन्होंने concept पूछा है. तो कॉन्सेप्ट इज डिसेंट्रलाइजेशन इटसेल्फ, ठीक है, तो वी आर सपोज टू राइट डिसेंट्रलाइजेशन. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज it refers to the number of subordinates a superior can effectively manage. Okay, Jasmine, जी बेटे, you can answer. 27 roll number. Jasmine, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, span of management.
Span of management. Absolutely correct answer. Span of management is there. Okay, yeah. Aditi, you are giving all correct answers. I can read from the chat box itself. No one else is writing in the chat box. Ashish, you want to say something else? Okay.
Ma'am.
Yes. Okay, so let's discuss these match the columns. Upward चल रहे हैं हम. So this is easy for us. अगर हम पहले कॉलम ए पढ़े फिर कॉलम बी डिफिकल्ट हो जाएगा. कॉलम बी से स्टार्ट करते हैं एंड देन ऑप्शंस देखेंगे कौन सी प्रेफरेबल है. कॉलम बी फर्स्ट पॉइंट सेज डिवीजन परफॉर्म ऑल फंक्शंस रिलेटेड टू अ स्पेसिफिक प्रोडक्ट. किसी एक स्पेसिफिक प्रोडक्ट के साथ रिलेटेड जब है. ओके, अदिति, यू कैन आंसर.
Ma'am, divisional structure.
डिविजनल स्ट्रक्चर. सो एक मैं आपको पॉइंट बता देती हूँ, आपसे पहले ये मैं कर चुकी हूँ. डिविजनल स्ट्रक्चर कैन बी देयर बट देयर इज वन मोर पॉइंट. ये वाला एक बार देखिए, डी पॉइंट. एक बार डी पॉइंट पढ़िए. व्हाट डज दिस डी पॉइंट सेज? Yes, Aditi. हाँ ये Aditi. Okay, संयम. Yes, संयम.
Ma'am, product specialization.
So this is a slight difference. जब मैंने किया था मैंने भी ऐसे ही किया. First one को मैंने divisional structure किया. But when I comes to the D point, then I come to know that D point actually says about the divisional structure. So first one is not divisional structure, something else. As Sanyam said, it is about product specialization. Product specialization is another option given, or we can do one thing, we can leave it for some time and then at the end we will see kisko kiska answer dena hai. Next is provide opportunities to like-minded people to mingle. What is this? Okay, Ketan, yes bete.
मैम इनफॉर्मल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन.
वेरी गुड. एक जैसा जिनकी सोच होती है वही तो फ्रेंड्स बनते हैं ना. तो लाइक माइंडेड पीपल जब लिखा है, इट मींस दे आर टॉकिंग अबाउट इनफॉर्मल. 6 नंबर इज द आंसर. इट फ्लोज फ्रॉम सुपीरियर टू सबऑर्डिनेट. सुपीरियर से सबऑर्डिनेट में क्या चलता है? एनीवन एल्स हु कैन आंसर? दो ही बच्चे हैंड रेज कर रहे हैं. प्लीज रेज योर हैंड सो दैट आई कैन अलाउ यू. ओके, हिमानी एंड रुचिका हैज गिवन द राइट आंसर. Harshita Gandhi, you can also answer.
Delegation.
No, bete, it's not delegation. Chahat, you can answer. Chahat, bete, unmute yourself. Okay, Tamanna, you can answer. Tamanna. I'm looking for the right answer. Chat box में I have got Chahat. Yes, you are right. 27 roll number is right. Most of the students have given the right answer. The right answer is authority. अभी हमने पढ़ा थोड़ी देर पहले. Authority is something which flows from superior to ये वाला नहीं है. From superior to subordinate, it is authority. Fourth one, now let's come to this point. Most suitable for the organization which is providing varied product, मतलब variety of product, अलग-अलग type के product बना रहे हैं, तो उनके लिए तो most suitable होगा divisional structure. तो first वाले में जब वो specific product की बात कर रहे थे, तो वहां पे हमारा आंसर हो जाएगा product specialization. ठीक है जी? I repeat. प्रोडक्ट स्पेशलाइजेशन जो है हमारा, दैट विल बी द आंसर फॉर पॉइंट ए। एंड जब जहां वैरायटी ऑफ प्रोडक्ट आर बीइंग मैन्युफैक्चर, यहाँ पे हमारा आंसर आ जाएगा डिविजनल स्ट्रक्चर। संयम, यू वांट टू से समथिंग?
अगले क्वेश्चन के लिए खास करा हुआ है मैम।
नेक्स्ट इज इट फ्लोज फ्रॉम सबऑर्डिनेट टू सुपीरियर। क्या है ऐसा जो चलता है संयम?
अथॉरिटी मैम, अकाउंटेबिलिटी या रिस्पांसिबिलिटी?
अकाउंटेबिलिटी एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बोथ आर करेक्ट आंसर। दोनों, उन्होंने दो ऑप्शन दिए हैं, देखो सुपीरियर तक जाएगा जो सबऑर्डिनेट, नीचे से ऊपर को जाता है, व्हाट इज दैट? इट कैन बी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी। हम अपने सीनियर को ही अपनी मतलब हमारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, ऑब्लिगेशन टू परफॉर्म द वर्क एंड रिपोर्ट टू द सीनियर। सो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी और अकाउंटेबिलिटी बोथ विल फ्लो फ्रॉम जूनियर टू सीनियर। ठीक है जी, दोनों पॉइंट हो गए। जी पॉइंट पे आ जाइए, एक्सटेंशन ऑफ डिसीजन मेकिंग अथॉरिटी फ्रॉम टॉप टू लोअर लेवल मैनेजमेंट। नाउ टेल मी द राइट आंसर। ओके, आई एम गेटिंग द आंसर्स इन द चैट बॉक्स। चाहत, हिमानी, absolutely correct answer. Kashvi, you can answer. Unmute yourself. बहुत टाइम लगाते हैं बेटे।
Decentralization.
Yes, decentralization is the right answer. क्योंकि टॉप लेवल से लोअर लेवल की तरफ जब बात चल रही है, then it is decentralization because more than 2 people will be involved therein. Okay, now grouping of activities of similar nature. एक जैसी एक्टिविटीज को ग्रुप अप करना है तो इजी। कनिका, यस बेटे, यू कैन आंसर।
Ma'am, departmentalization.
It is departmentalization. Absolutely correct answer. Grouping of activities, very easy. Then it ignores human और interpersonal relation को ignore कर देती है। ऐसी कौन सी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है? Okay, हर्षिता, हिमानी, चाहत, all correct answers. Tina Taneja, you can answer.
Ma'am, formal organization.
Formal organization is there जो ignore कर देती है human touch को, social ने relationship बिल्कुल ignore हो जाते हैं। J point में आ जाइए, emphasis on specific task being performed by specific employees. ऐसी कौन सी टाइप की ऑर्गेनाइजेशन होती है जिसपे कोई पर्टिकुलर काम ही बंदे को करना पड़ता है? यस, हर्षिता इज करेक्ट। हिम्मत सिंह, यू आर देयर इन द मीटिंग? ओके बेटी, डेलीगेशन इज नॉट द राइट आंसर। डेलीगेशन तो कुछ और होता है। कोई एक काम एक पर्टिकुलर एम्प्लॉय को करना है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल देती हूँ आपको और क्लियर हो जाएगा। जो सेल्स डिपार्टमेंट में है, दे विल डू only the things related to sales. The persons working in purchase department will do the work of purchase. So this is about structure of management. Yes, most of you have given me the right answer. Ketan, you can give it. Ketan.
Functional specialization.
Functional specialization is there. Very good. Last point. It shares the burden of superior. Now tell me, Himmat Singh, you can answer now. Himmat Singh, can you please switch on your video? Yes, okay. You can answer, bete.
मैम, मैंने ये लास्ट का ही डेलीगेशन लिखा था।
Okay, okay.
आपको आंसर।
So this is
not previous.
Okay, okay. Sharing burden of the
Delegation.
superior is delegation. Absolutely correct. You are not attending your classes regularly. That is the only reason why I am asking you to switch on your video so that I come to know कि ये बच्चे भी मेरी क्लास में पढ़ते हैं। बड़ा कम क्लासेस लगाते हैं। But I am happy you are answering. चलिए, so true false पे आ जाएं अब हम। यहाँ से शुरू कर देते हैं। Okay. So we have true false, नीचे से ऊपर को जा रहे हैं। Decentralization promotes making of dynamic leaders for future. True or false? Those who want to say true can raise your thumbs up. बाकी thumbs down. False वाले thumbs down, true वाले thumbs up. ऐसे easy हो जाएगा, पता चल जाएगा कितने thumbs up है, कितने thumbs down है। No one? थम्स अप वाली ऑप्शन नहीं है आपके पास? एक बच्चे ने मेरे को मैसेज में लिखा ट्रू, एक ने लिखा फॉल्स। ओके, संयम ने हैंड रेज किया है बेटे, हैंड रेज नहीं करना है, थम्स अप करना है। हाँ जी बताइए संयम, यू कैन आंसर।
मैम ट्रू।
इट इज ट्रू। ओके, बिकॉज ये हमने पहले भी पढ़ा था कि डायनेमिक लीडर्स बनते, फ्यूचर लीडर्स हम क्रिएट करते हैं, दैट इज ट्रू। 26, decentralization states the manner of dividing decision making responsibility among hierarchical levels. True or false? Thumbs up, down, उससे हो जाएगा। Okay. संयम, केतन, thumbs up, बाकी सब no idea. Okay, Ketan wants to speak also. Yes, Ketan.
मैम 27th क्वेश्चन का आंसर डेलीगेशन नहीं था?
नहीं बेटे, ये हमने डिसेंट्रलाइजेशन में भी तो पढ़ा था, यू फॉरगॉट। हमने डिसेंट्रलाइजेशन में भी पढ़ा था कि जब हम अब डिसेंट्रलाइजेशन के एक बार एडवांटेजेस निकालिए, ओपन योर बुक एंड चेक द एडवांटेजेस। हमने एडवांटेजेस में ये पॉइंट पढ़ा था, मेरिट्स ऑफ डिसेंट्रलाइजेशन, दैट इट मेक्स फ्यूचर लीडर्स, हम उनको काम दे देते हैं, मैनेजरियल टैलेंट फॉर फ्यूचर कैन बी डेवलप्ड। वहां पे डेलीगेशन में हमने पढ़ा था कि यस, डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द पर्सनल, हमारी डेवलपमेंट होती है, मोटिवेट होते हैं वर्कर्स, दे लर्न टू वर्क, बट ये लीडर्स फॉर द फ्यूचर वाला जो है दिल्ली, इसका डिसेंट्रलाइजेशन का है। 26th का आंसर क्या होगा बेटे? इट इज ट्रू। केतन मिला नहीं आपको? ओके, सो 26th is also true because decentralization states the manner of dividing. Decentralization में हम decision making को hierarchical levels में divide कर देते हैं powers, that is true. 25, authority is delegated, responsibility is imposed and accountability is assumed. ये statement आपने कहीं ना कहीं पढ़ी होगी अगर आपने delegation को पढ़ा है। Okay, roll number 21 कौन है? Raise your hand. Who is roll number 21? काशवी, हाँ जी काशवी, you can answer बेटे।
Ma'am, authority is delegated, responsibility is assumed, and accountability is imposed.
Okay, so you have read this line somewhere in the book? Because other children, some of them, they are saying कि this is true. So bete, please note it down, the statement which is given by Kashvi. Please write it down somewhere. Write it down somewhere. Kashvi, can you please repeat? Where is Kashvi? Raise your hand. Okay. Yes, Kashvi.
Authority is delegated, responsibility is assumed, and accountability is imposed.
Yes, authority is delegated. Authority जो हमारा senior है वो junior को delegate करता है. Responsibility is assumed. When we are giving you some work, you are supposed to assume your responsibility. This work is being given to me. I am obliged to complete this work. And accountability is imposed. You are forcefully told to be accountable. Like you have to be accountable for the work which is being given to you. So the statement is accountability is imposed and responsibility is assumed. तो इन्होंने opposite लिख दिया है यहाँ पे. Okay, so वैसे ये वाली statement मुझे book में मिली नहीं अभी. Kashvi, from which book you have got this statement? NCERT? Kashvi, अब तुम hand raise नहीं करोगी ना, तो how I would be able to unmute you? Yes.
मैम मैंने गूगल पे देखी थी स्टेटमेंट.
Okay जी. चलिए ठीक है, एक बार गूगल से देख लीजिए। इस तरह की ये जो बेटे स्टेटमेंट्स है ना, ये कहीं ना कहीं हमें कंफ्यूज कर सकती हैं। थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस है अज्यूम्ड और इम्पोज्ड में। आगे पीछे उन्होंने वर्ड कर दिए हैं, हमें वो सही लगेगा, देखने में सब ओके लग रहा है तो हम उसको ट्रू कर देते। तो ऐसी सिचुएशन में वी मे बी लाइक लूजिंग 1 मार्क फॉर दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन। इसका क्वेश्चन का आपको इन्वर्टेड कॉमा में डाल के आगे कमेंट लिख के भी आ सकता है कि you have to comment authority is delegated this and this and this, now comment. So you are supposed to explain the meaning of these three, because these all three are part of elements of delegation, and then you will be explaining the same statement. Okay, next is accountability flows upward. That is true. Okay, one child is saying yes, that it is given in NCERT book also. मेरी NCERT book कोई बच्चा ले गया हुआ है, I am not able to get it back. तो please check into the NCERT book, page number 132. एक ने लिखा page number 133. Please check it out. This statement should be there. Okay? चलिए, no problem. Next is accountability flows upward. That is true. Question point number 23. Extent of responsibility is highest at top level management, but extent of authority is same at all levels of management. Is it true or false? Ketan, you can answer. Sanyam has
False.
given, yeah, Sanyam has given the right answer. You are also saying false. Why is it false, Ketan?
Ma'am, because authority is not same at all level. It is different.
You are right. Or we can say that authority is always equal to responsibility. So if at top level highest authority is responsibility is there, then highest authority will also be there at top level. And wherever responsibility will less, authority will less hogi. So all levels pe you are right, authority will not be same. False. 22. Delegation relieves superior from his responsibilities. True or false? True. Sanyam. Ketan. Yes, Ketan.
False.
Okay, false. How come it is false?
Ma'am, because the ultimate responsibility is of the person who gives the responsibility.
That is about accountability. Na? That ultimate accountability will remain with the superior, but responsibility, like some part of responsibility, he can delegate. तो यहाँ पे इन्होंने ढंग से नहीं दी हुई statement, because he can be relieved from some part of his responsibility. Statement अपने आप में complete statement नहीं है.
Ma'am, but he is responsible to the his upper level.
That is true. मैं तभी आपको बोल रही हूँ कि relieves word लिखा है ना. Okay, Aditi want to say something. Aditi.
Ma'am, it is true.
हाँ, मतलब मैं वही आपको कह रही हूँ, it is true or it is false, because the statement is not complete in itself. They are saying delegation relieves superior from his responsibility. यहाँ पे होना चाहिए था delegation relieves superior from, like a part of his responsibility can be delegated. He can't be relieved from total responsibility की सारी responsibility आगे वो अगले अपने subordinate के ऊपर impose कर दे. This is not possible. So the statement in itself is not that complete. We have already studied that authority can be delegated. Part of responsibility can also be delegated, but accountability can never be transferred. Like it will, absolute accountability will be there. So if you are saying true, you are correct up to some extent, but this statement is not complete in itself. Next is 21. जैसे केतन ने बोला, तो केतन is also right, because no one can get completely relieved from his responsibility. सारा काम किसी और को थोड़ी वो दे सकता है कि पूरी responsibility he is relieving, like he is transferring to someone else. Okay, 21. Delegation helps subordinates to satisfy their need for recognition. True or false? No option. Sanyam is saying, Aditi is saying true, Hina is saying true, Sanyam is saying true, and Ketan is saying true. Okay. रिकॉग्निशन मिल जाती है उनको डेलीगेशन से. सबऑर्डिनेट्स चाहते हैं कि हमें रिकॉग्निशन मिले. They are getting their work, like they are getting the work which their superior want them to do, but they will not get recognition for that. But yes, recognition in the eyes of superior they will get. ये statement हमने कहीं पढ़ी है book में. Delegation helps the subordinate to satisfy their need for growth and development will be there. Recognition can also be there. ठीक है. Okay, next is in informal organization, communication flows in a predetermined direction. It is false. सबको मालूम है. There is no particular direction of flow of communication in informal organization. Next is informal organization promotes grouping of employees on the basis of the specialized skills possessed by them. Is it true? No. It is false. Because there is no particular classification in informal organization. वो अपने आप on the basis of their personal or psychological satisfaction they make their own groups. Next is the following chain of command may lead to procedural delays. अगर हम chain of command follow करें तो delay हो सकता है. That is true. ये हमने पहले पढ़ा था formal organization में कि अगर हम scalar chain follow करके चलते हैं तो there may be the chances of delays in decision making. 17 number, formal organization takes care of interpersonal relationship. No, it's false. It doesn't take care of interpersonal relationship. 16 number, formal organization is designed by managers at each level of management. Yes, formal organization जो है वो सारे के सारे levels को डिजाइन किया हुआ है ऑटोमेटिकली. ऑलरेडी देयर इट इज प्री-डिसाइडेड, predetermined according to the organizational chart. Formal organization lays down the rules and procedure to be followed in achieving. Yes, true. Formal organization में rules and procedures are already being told. 40 number point, it is a multi-product. In a multi-product company, coordination in functional structure is comparatively difficult as compared to divisional structure. मल्टी प्रोडक्ट कंपनी में फंक्शनल स्ट्रक्चर में कोऑर्डिनेशन कह रहा है कि प्रॉब्लम आती है एज कंपेयर टू डिविजनल. दैट इज ट्रू. डिविजनल स्ट्रक्चर हम हमेशा प्रेफर करते हैं क्योंकि मल्टी प्रोडक्ट है तो फंक्शनल स्ट्रक्चर मे नॉट बी वर्किंग प्रॉपर्ली. सो दैट इज ट्रू. वी स्टिल हैव 3 minutes तो हम कर लेते हैं और डिस्कस. Okay, organization structure design roles to be filled by suitably skilled people. True or false? That is true. True है ना? Organization structure में हम skilled people को according to their like suitability के accordingly हम उसको role assign करते हैं. Number 2, division of work into smaller tasks lead to increase in burden of work on employees. बर्डन बढ़ जाता है. फॉल्स. यस, ये तो रिड्यूस करता है बर्डन. नंबर 3, डिफाइनिंग द रिलेशन मस्ट टू एस्टैब्लिश हायरार्किकल स्ट्रक्चर. दैट इज ट्रू. अगर हम स्ट्रक्चर बनाते हैं तो डेफिनेटली वी विल डिफाइन कि किसका किससे क्या रिलेशन है. हु इज सीनियर, हु इज जूनियर, हु इज लाइक रिस्पॉन्सिबल टू आंसर whom. नंबर 4, प्राइमरी फंक्शन है क्या? नो, इट इज नॉट प्राइमरी फंक्शन. Which is primary function? Planning is the primary function. It is false. 5 number, repetitive performance of specific jobs on regular basis affects specialization adversely. हम एक ही काम को बार बार करके specialization खराब हो जाती है हमारी. False. Specialization improves by doing repetitive work on regular basis. 6th point, organizational structure is the framework within which managerial and operational tasks are being performed. That is true. ठीक है. Organization structure के अंदर ही काम करते हैं सब. Next, span of management refers to the managers who can effectively manage their subordinate. No, it is number of subordinates be effectively managed by the workers. It is false. 7 number should be false. ठीक है. 8, functional structure leads to occupational specialization. True. Occupational specialization आ जाती. Number 9, फंक्शनल एम्पायर्स, ये ध्यान से समझिए, फंक्शनल एम्पायर इज अ डिसएडवांटेज ऑफ फंक्शनल स्ट्रक्चर, क्योंकि हर डिपार्टमेंट, हर फंक्शन अपने आप में एक एम्पायर बन जाता है, दूसरों को कोऑपरेट नहीं करता. फंक्शनल एम्पायर एम्फेसिस ऑन अचीवमेंट ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल गोल्स at the cost of departmental. No, it is false. Adverse होना चाहिए. Functional empire emphasis on achievement of departmental interest at the cost of organizational interest. This is a drawback of functional structure. Departmental structure restrict departmental heads from gaining experience in diverse area. No, it is false. Functional structure is based on specialized activities.